Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word lids. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I need to buy some new lids for my food storage containers because some of them are cracked and no longer seal properly. In this sentence, lids refers to the covers or tops of food storage containers that are used to close and seal the container shut. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.